Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Your welding coach Black Phoenix checking in, and we are live in Little Rock, Arkansas. And I wanted to talk to you about some real estate investments. Some people thinking about investing in real estate, getting single homes to sell them and rent them out. But a lot of times, if you get single family homes, you put a lot into it, and you're only going to get a lot out of it, but you'll get more out of it over time. So if you got the 5, 10, 15 years to wait on your money to get back and keep growing, then that's great. But if you invest in something like this, multi doors, it's probably got one door in the front as you see, but it's multi units. So there's multiple doors in here. It's probably got, like, I believe 4 to 6 units in this one unit. And if a person was wise, depends on where you at, you probably bought the unit and made an investment, and you stayed in one of them, and you rent the other 4 or 5 of them out. And then once you get your money up, then you move to another location and rent the whole thing out. And they got the landscaping over here nice. It looks nice, family. It's a nice place to live. I wouldn't mind staying in it. You know what I'm saying? As a older king trying to get his stuff together, I think you'd be nice pulling up something like this. But I'm just saying, though, I really think that we have to invest in different ways to make money more than just single family homes. Single family homes is fine, but you don't want to break the bank. So at least try to look for some duplexes, or rent out a property where, if it is 3-bedroom, you can turn into a roommate situation where it's 3 roommates in there, or 2 roommates in there, or however you want to do it. But I think that's why we need to start thinking as far as real estate investment, especially in small towns and different areas, because real estate is everywhere. If you look down, you're walking on something, there's some real estate. So hey, wherever you at, find an opportunity and get your hog on.